Want to program your GMC Sierra key fob? Here's the basic DIY method for most 2019-2024 models. First, ensure your Sierra is unlocked, all doors are closed, and the key fob has a fresh battery. Get in the driver's seat. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the engine. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it off and remove the key. Repeat this on-off cycle 3 times within 10 seconds. The vehicle should enter programming mode, indicated by a horn chirp or flashing lights. Now, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the vehicle responds. It might lock or unlock. If you're programming multiple fobs, repeat this for each within 40 seconds. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition to on and wait 10 seconds or simply start the vehicle. Finally, test all buttons on the fob: lock, unlock, panic, and remote start if equipped. If you encounter issues, consult your GMC dealer. Newer GMC Sierras from 2023 and later often feature enhanced security measures that require specialized dealer tools for key fob programming. These models, especially Denali trims with remote start capabilities, may use encrypted fobs that cannot be programmed using basic DIY methods. Dealers use specialized tools like GM's Techline Connect software or the Service Programming System to handle encrypted fob pairing. Some 2023 and newer Sierras support over-the-air pairing through the MyGMC app, allowing remote programming without visiting a dealer. Key fob technology is evolving rapidly. Current trends show a shift toward digital keys and smartphone-based pairing systems. By 2030, experts predict most vehicles will use fully digital keys, relying less on physical fobs and more on secure mobile connections. Always consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. DIY methods may not work for all features or newer vehicles. If you encounter issues, contact a GM dealership for professional assistance.